I rise to express my enthusiastic recommendation for John Michael Vazquez's nomination and confirmation to the United States District Court for the District of New Jersey, which the Senate will be shortly voting upon. Mr. Vazquez's credentials are impressive. He is a New Jerseyan who is eminently qualified and highly experienced, and I'm confident that he will be an outstanding jurist whose judicial temperament, observance of precedent, and personal integrity will be beyond reproach. There is an inscription over the 10th Street entrance to the Justice Department that I often am reminded of, and often quote. It can't be quoted too often when we're looking to perform one of our most vital duties, selecting those best qualified judicial nominees. It reads, "Justice in the life and conduct of the state is possible only as it first resides in the hearts and souls of its citizens." And I believe that justice, in fact, does reside in the heart and soul of John Vazquez, and that he will bring that judicial heart and soul to the task, as well as the benefits of a long and distinguished legal career in private and public service. Mr. Vazquez began his legal career at the law offices of Michael Critchley and Associates after completing a clerkship with the Honorable Herman Michaels of the New Jersey Appellate Division. He graduated summa cum laude from Seton Hall University School of Law and from Rutgers College. His intellect is of the highest order. He would bring a long and distinguished career to the District of New Jersey bench when confirmed. He is currently a partner at Critchley, Kinem & Vazquez, practicing commercial, securities, civil litigation, as well as white-collar criminal defense. And before his time in private practice, he served the people of New Jersey in the New Jersey Office of the Attorney General as the first Assistant Attorney General. As the second highest ranking law enforcement official in the state, Mr. Vazquez conducted the day-to-day operations of a 9,500 person department and various divisions within the department, including criminal justice, consumer affairs, civil rights, elections, gaming enforcement divisions, to mention a few. And he previously served before that particular office as a special assistant to the Attorney General, and before that he was an assistant United States attorney, where he focused on healthcare fraud, securities fraud, and terrorism investigations. These experiences have given him a clear appreciation of the separation of powers, the importance of checks and balances, and I believe he will bring that view to the bench. The American Bar Association rated him unanimously well qualified for the nomination, and I agree. And he was voted out of the Judiciary Committee unanimously. When I think about the breadth and scope of what comes before a federal district court judge, I can only think about the breadth and scope of his experiences. He understands both sides of the legal equation, the prosecution and the defense of a case. He is a member of the Hispanic Bar Association, the Essex County Bar Association, the New Jersey State Bar Association, the Association of the Federal Bar of New Jersey, and the Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers of New Jersey. So, Mr. President, I can say without equivocation that justice does indeed reside in the heart and soul of John Vazquez. He is an eminently qualified nominee with impressive credentials and experience who will fill a judicial emergency vacancy in the District of New Jersey. And in addition to intellect, judgment, temperament, observance of the rule of law, and the separation of powers, he diversifies our judiciary as a Hispanic American, something that I think is also very important, to be able to have any American walk into any court in the land and believe that the possibility of someone like them may very well be sitting in judgment of them. So when you have all the elements of what we want in a member of the federal judiciary, and we are able to achieve that element of diversity as well, I think it is of the highest moment. I urge the Senate to unanimously support him, and I yield back the balance of my time.